Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Transitioning to and from display, none is a common task in web development when you want to hide or show elements in a smooth manner. However, it's important to note that CSS transitions cannot animate the display property directly. Instead, we can use opacity and visibility to achieve a similar effect while maintaining a smooth transition. Overview. To transition an element from being hidden to visible, we'll use the following steps. 1. Use opacity to control the visibility of the element. 2. Use visibility to prevent the element from being interactive when it is not visible. 3. Use transition to animate the opacity change. Step-by-step tutorial. HTML structure. First, let's create a simple HTML structure with a button to toggle the visibility of a content section. CSS styles. Next, we'll define the CSS styles for the content. The .hidden class will initially hide the content, and we will define the transition properties. JavaScript logic. Now, we will use JavaScript to toggle the visibility of the content when the button is clicked. Explanation. 1. HTML, we have a button and a content div that starts with the hidden class. 2. CSS. The content is initially set to opacity, 0 and visibility, hidden. When the visible class is added, the opacity becomes 1 and visibility becomes visible. The transition properties are set to animate both opacity and visibility. 3. JavaScript. When the button is clicked, we check if the content is visible by checking for the visible class. If it is visible, we remove the visible class and start a timeout to add the hidden class after the transition duration, 500 milliseconds. If it is not visible, we remove the hidden class and immediately trigger the addition of the visible class after a brief timeout, 0 milliseconds, to ensure the transition occurs. Conclusion. By using a combination of opacity, visibility, and JavaScript, we can effectively create a smooth transition for showing and hiding elements in a web page. This approach gives a better user experience compared to simply using display, none, which does not allow for smooth transitions.